In this tutorial, you will learn how to attach a file to your message so that an agent can process it. For example, we will use an image containing an error message from Outlook that we want an agent to analyze. Let's select the Image Analyzer agent. Enter your message. In this example, we will ask the agent to analyze the image to gather more information about the Outlook error message. Next, attach the image to your message by clicking the Attach Files button. Select your image and click Open to attach the file. The attached files are displayed below the chat box. You can remove an attached file from your message by clicking the cross next to the file. Finally, click Send to send your message and the attached file to the agent. Wait for the agent to analyze the image and generate a response. Here is the analysis of the image provided by the agent.